Hi everyone, welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we are going to show you how to clone a phone using a simple and free app called Clone-It. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I work hard and spend a lot of time to create them for you. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Download the Clone-It app from the Google Play Store on both phones. Open the Clone-It app on both phones. You will see two options, send and receive. On the phone that you want to copy from, tap on send. On the phone that you want to copy to, tap on receive. The app will scan for nearby devices and show you the name and icon of the sender's phone. Make sure you select the correct phone to avoid any mistakes. Step 2. On the sender phone, you will see a list of data types that you can clone, such as contacts, messages, photos, videos, apps, and more. You can select all or some of the data types that you want to clone. The app will show you the total size and time of the cloning process. Tap on Start to begin the cloning. Step 3. On the receiver phone, you will see a progress bar and a percentage of the cloning process. You can also see the details of the data that is being cloned. Wait for the cloning to finish. Do not disconnect or turn off the Wi-Fi connection during the cloning process. Once the cloning is done, you will see a message saying cloning completed. Tap on Finish to exit the app. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.